Navigate to the top right gear icon to configure your location settings in Designer. You can change your location name and description from here, and more notably can adjust audio encryption and device passwords from this page. So location settings means that you'll change encryption and passwords for all devices within your location at once, as opposed to needing to have to go to each individual device to set that up. So we're going to enable encryption here, and we have two choices: auto-generate and manual. Use manual if you're using a Shure device that's not yet supported by Designer. So for example, if I have a microphone that's supported by Designer, I could enter an encryption phrase here, and then match that in the web interface of the unsupported device to encrypt my system. I'll use auto-generate though, which will automatically generate encryption for all devices in this location at once. You can also disable and rekey encryption from this page as well. On the permissions page, you can enable device passwords. So this will enable a password, so if someone else comes in with another instance of Designer or goes onto the web interface of a device, they'll be required to enter this password before being able to configure it. Again, this is a location setting, so when you set up this password, you're setting up a password for all devices in the location at once.